He's taking off.
It was just after 2 a.m. when officers became involved in a pursuit with a drive-by shooting suspect. The drive-by shooting had just occurred in the 300 block of Southeast 43rd Street.
I've really lost sight of him.
During the pursuit, officers lost sight of the suspect's vehicle. Shortly after losing sight of the suspect's vehicle, an officer located it in an apartment complex in the 2400 block of Southwest 45th Street. As this officer pulled up to the suspect's vehicle, the driver had exited the vehicle and hid in front of a van. The officer gave him commands to step out, but he refused the officer's commands. The suspect shot at the officer, who returned fire.
Out. On the ground. Come out to me. Oh. Shots fired, shots fired.
The suspect then ran through the apartment complex and shot at another officer who was arriving at the scene. The suspect was armed with both a handgun and a rifle. He used the handgun to shoot at both officers and left the rifle in front of the van before fleeing. The suspect was located in a nearby apartment. The suspect continued to fire shots in the apartment as officers tried to negotiate with him.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Damn it.
Dagan, come on, man. You can do this. Come out peacefully. Hands up. Come on, Dagan. It's gonna be okay. Okay, it's gonna be okay, okay? Keep coming to me. Just keep coming, Dagan. Keep coming. It's alright. You're gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I promise, Dagan. I promise you. I promise you. It's gonna be okay. Dagan, you did the right thing. That's right. We just had to start at the right step, right?
The suspect eventually came out of the apartment and was taken into custody. Neither the officers nor the suspect were injured during the incident. The suspect was identified as Dagan Oliver.